Hello guys and welcome to episode 21 where we will be solving 5 more SQL problems, this time from the company Forbes. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Let's see, what is the profit to sales ratio? Profit sales ratio of, we have a filter here, royal.shell. Then we have to output the result, that would be the ratio, along with the company name. We have to output 2 columns and we have 1 filter. We need to output company and then we need a profits to sales ratio. Profit ratio. So the ratio is obviously the profits divided by the sales. And in here in the columns we have just one. We have this and this. We have to divide the profits here by the sales. And then we need our filter for this company specifically, where company equals with this. This should be the final answer. And there it is. The profit ratio is 0.0, so it's 3.6%. Quick recap. We are showing the profits to sales ratio for the company royal.shell. We're outputting 2 columns, the company name and then the ratio itself. Pretty easy. Problem number 2. Let's see what we have to do here. Find the industry, lowest average sales. Output the industry. We have to output 1 single column, just the industry. Then we have to figure out the lowest, that's basically like a min here. The minimum of something like average sales, something like that. The lowest, so the minimum, average sales. So let's get started. Here we basically have to, we could use limit and then we could order them by average sales. Then we could choose to limit 1 just to show the top row. That would work, but we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it with the window function and a CTE. We're going to start writing our CTE here. We're going to copy, paste this here. And right now, we only need an industry. And then we need to rank them. We're going to use the dense rank over. And we're going to say order by average sales, and this is going to be ascending. Average sales from the smallest to the largest. We're going to call this RNK. And because we used here average sales, we have to group by industry. And now if we simply just show all from CTE just to see what we have in there. So in CTE we just have the industry name and then the rank. And they are based on this average sales ascending from smallest to highest. Now we only have to show this one, this top row, and just that column. Basically, you only need this. This is the final output. We don't need any of this or this to show. We're going to say industry. And now we're simply going to filter based on the rank. In this case, there's just one with rank 1. But if they would have the same average sales, then there would be 2. And then our result actually would be 2 entries here. But in this case, we just have 1. So that would be the final answer right there. And that's correct. Quick recap on this one. In this table here, we are ordering all of the industries based on their average sales from the smallest to the largest. And down here, we are only selecting the industry where the rank equals 1. And that would mean the one with the lowest amount of average sales. Because here, right here, we are ordering in ascending. Because we are not specifying it, so it's by default, it's ascending. Problem number 3. Let's check out this one. Count the number of companies. Count number of companies in the IT sector. This is a filter for sure. Each country, that's a group by. Now we have to output result. That would be the count and the country name. So we have 2 columns. And lastly, we have to order result based on number of companies descending. We have 1 filter and 2 columns to output. A group by and an order by. Select from we have to output the country and the count of the companies, where sector equals the IT sector right here. And then we have to group by country and order by, let's call this num companies. We're going to do descending right here. And this is the final answer. We have 2 entries in the IT sector. And yeah, quick recap here. For every country, we want to count the number of companies, where the sector equals to information technology. Then we just want to order them by that count in descending order. Problem number 4, let's check out this one. Find the highest market value for each sector. That's a group by per sector. This sounds like a max right here. We have max. Question is, which sector is best to invest in? We have to output the result, so the highest market value, along with the sector name. We have 2 columns. Then we have to order by the result, highest market value here, descending order. 2 columns output, no filters, a group by, a count, and order by. Select from. Here we have to output sector and the max market value, I believe. We have right here market value. Market value, we're going to name this max MKT value. We're going to say group by sector, order by the market value descending. That should be the final answer. And that's it. It seems if we are to answer this question here, which sector is best to invest in, that would be the IT for sure. But we are showing all of them for each sector. So quick recap, for every sector, we want to find the highest market value. And then we want to order them by that maximum market value in descending order, from highest to lowest down here. And problem number 5, guys, let's see. Last one for today. Find the most profitable company. Financial sector, definitely a filter. Output result along with continent. Result, that would be here company. We have to output company and continent. Most profitable. We're going to select from. We need to put the company and the continent. Now we're going to add our filter. Select. We have the financial. Now financial, they write it like this. Financials equals with financials. Now we only Now we have to filter these results based on the maximum value of profits. We only care if they have the maximum value of profits right here. We're going to check for solution, and the top company that has the maximum profits right here, it is ICBC from Asia. So quick recap, we want to find the one company, and we want to show the company and the continent from the financial sector. And then we only care for the one that has the maximum value of profits. So that was it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy these kinds of questions, I highly encourage you to join the StrataScratch community. Consider using the affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.